My name's Tom Hershewe. I'm an attorney at Burns and Becker.
My name is John Sauer, and I am currently a partner at the small litigation boutique Clark Sauer in Clayton, Missouri.
I'm Tim Garrison, and I'm an assistant United States attorney in the United States Attorney's Office for the Western District of Missouri.
Well, I do enjoy legal research and writing. I guess I also do enjoy the finality of it. You know, I mean, at the trial court level, there's a trial, but then there's the appeal, and the appeal has the ultimate conclusion to it. So I enjoy, I guess, the finality, and getting either 2 or 3 judges to agree with me is always a good feeling.
I very much enjoy the process intellectually of analyzing, you know, appellate decisions and applying them, particularly challenging or novel factual patterns. So there's an intellectual challenge to them that I find particularly engaging. Appellate decisions tend to have broader implications for the legal system as a whole, and for litigants beyond the litigants who are appearing before the court at that stage. A jury verdict tends to impact most directly the litigants whom that jury verdict affects. But an appellate decision may have very broad implications. Also, some will say there is a maybe slightly nerdy aspect to being involved in appellate law, and to the extent that that's true, I own and embrace that completely. I very much enjoy the legal writing process.
The thing I like about appeals is that it's an opportunity to get it right. The best thing you can do to be successful on appeal is to be right at trial. But then the very fact that a case has gone up on appeal shows that there is some dispute about what the right answer is or was at trial. And so the appeal is an opportunity to sit down, really isolate an issue, to focus at length on what the precedent is. What does the law say about this particular issue? And then both sides are able to thoroughly exhaust that issue, and then hopefully the right answer comes out.
Oh, I was pleasantly surprised and quite honored that I was nominated by the court. I was happy that somebody thought highly enough of my work while I was there, and seen what I've done afterwards to have nominated me for that. So
it's a real honor. It's a humbling experience to have this award conferred on me. I also view it as an opportunity for me to express my gratitude and appreciation for the numerous people who have helped me and mentored me in my legal career, especially in appellate matters. I mentioned before Judge Gertner, who's been such a valuable mentor to me, and the U.S. attorneys, Catherine Hanaway and Rich Callahan. My supervisors in the U.S. Attorney's Office, Joe Landolt, who was the appellate supervisor when I worked there, and Steve Holtzhauser, who directly supervised me and gave me lots of opportunities to work on appellate projects with him. I also would love to give a shout out, so to speak, of appreciation to my current team, the lawyers, the just outstanding lawyers that I now have the privilege of working with in the private sector on especially appellate projects, most notably my partner, Steve Clark, a man of 22 years of litigation and appellate experience, who is also a new invaluable mentor to me, and my outstanding associates, Mary Catherine Hodis and Sarah Pitlick, some of the finest young minds in my view, when it comes to appellate law in the St. Louis area.
It's a very nice honor. I didn't set out to do appellate work or even litigation when I was in law school, and to be able to, one, represent the United States is a great honor for me, and then to do it at the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals is also quite an honor.
Obviously, hone your legal research and writing skills. I think appellate work takes a particular focus on individual detail.
If you really have a passion for appellate law, jump on every opportunity you get to participate in not just Court of Appeals briefing, but any kind of law-intensive legal research and writing projects.
I think the thing that helps an appellate advocate the most is their ability to write concisely and persuasively.